college is closed, but classes continue. Now we can learn without leaving our homes. Watch funny distance learning situations in our new video. Shocking news ruins a regular school day. What? Are you sure? Well, students, there's good news for you. The college is shut down. I also have bad news. We'll be learning online. Your distance learning starts today. Go home. Now all the classes will be online conference calls. Does everyone get it? Is everyone here? Great! The whole group is present. Alex wants to look like $1,000,000 even when he's doing online learning. All he needs to do is iron his shirt before his online class. Oh, there's the doorbell. I got a package. Oh no, my shirt! There's a hole the size of Alabama, and the Zoom call is about to start. What should I do? Alex can always find a way out. His reputation is crucial. A straight collar and a perfectly tied tie. Just don't turn your back towards the camera. Redhead is a lazy student. She always does things at the last minute. And the moment she opens her laptop, she gets a ton of assignments. They are waiting for her everywhere. In her room, in the kitchen. Please, I just want to have a meal like a regular human. Phew. Oh no, more homework. The time finally comes. And this pile of tasks falls right on her head. Look out, Redhead! The lecture is so boring that everyone keeps falling asleep all the time. I'm so glad I'm not in the classroom. Smart Emily came up with a life hack for a safe sleep. When you are on distance learning, you can put your photo in front of the camera. Keep talking, Miss Maisie. I'm listening closely. And you can take a nap. What a great class! It's important to fasten the photo so it doesn't fall at the worst possible moment. Otherwise, your trick will be revealed. What? Emily, are you asleep? Hey, we are trying to learn here. Wake up, sleepyhead. Come on, tell me when you started snoring. You can't leave your home, but you are dreaming about a new one? Or traveling? Create an architectural masterpiece at home. It's great that Redhead has building supplies. Toilet paper will always come in handy. Let's build a paper coliseum. My home is my castle. And now, let's have a paper fight. Defend yourself! You won't ruin my toilet bunker! Alex isn't in the mood for a conference call. He's in the middle of a game. But he can find a way out of any situation. This time, he came up with the perfect excuse. I'm sorry, Miss Maisie. I'm on a plane right now, and I have to turn off all my electronics. I'll be back when there's internet, when I land. What? Are you leaving? But how? Phew, I love flying with washing machine airlines. Online learning can make you antisocial. Redhead lost her connection with the outer world and went kind of feral. It's great that my friend brought her dog. It's smelling an unusual animal. Ah, it's Redhead! head! Sit still. Let Cindy do your hair. And don't bite. Polite ladies don't act like that. Our professor, Miss Maisie, is an online conference newbie. Class is over. Send your homework to the classroom. Unfortunately, Miss Maisie doesn't have a clear understanding of how an online conference works. Phew, what a long class. That was exhausting. I need a break right now. Hey, Miss Maisie, you forgot to log out. Turn the music up. Dance workout. And my hard-earned lunch. I'm an online learning superstar. Oh yeah! And no one can stop me from eating as many calories as I want. Miss Maisie is getting lit. I hope everyone else can see this. Miss Maisie? Oh no! My goodness! We have never had a class like this before. Whoops! That was awkward. When you are on distance learning, you keep seeing your teachers everywhere. Even in the shower? That's a little much. An online exam, and Miss Maisie asked the most difficult question. What's the capital of Lapland? Whoa, that's a super hard question. Alex doesn't know the answer, but he knows a life hack. You can always blame bad Wi-Fi. What? Miss Maisie, I can't hear you. Can you say it again? I'm losing connect. Hey, Alex, what's wrong? What about our exam? Phew, it worked. Thank you, online learning. Emily is all about punctuality and routines. She even made a to-do list for today. Wake up, check. Get up. Check. Work out. Bend down to put on slippers. It counts. Complete the first task. That's kind of hard, but I can do it. Great. The next thing on the list is to make my bed. I'll cross that out too. I just have to finish the second assignment. Cross it out. The next thing on the list is to look out the window. All done. And finally, the last thing to do today is to praise myself for everything I did. Well done! I'm a time management genius. The smartest and most productive. And voila! The last thing is complete. If you don't give yourself a pat on the back, no one will. Finally, Redhead's dream came true. Classes are canceled, which means she can get enough sleep for a year. Time for a sleep marathon. Don't wake me up until distance learning is over. What time is it? Phew, I can keep sleeping. I have nowhere to go. If you are studying from home, forget about fun lunches with your friends in the cafeteria. At least you can turn a pizza delivery into a real spy operation. Hang on, no touching. I have a special rocket for collecting my food. Money in exchange for goods. Well done! Thanks! Staying at home can greatly affect you. Redhead hasn't spoken to real people for a long time. This is kinda annoying, and she's getting lonely. I wish I could talk to somebody. What? Am I hearing a voice? you are. Hello, buddy. I'll call you Jason Statham. Whoa, your eyes are so beautiful. How are you? What are you saying? Really? Unbelievable. You must be kidding. You are so funny. Everyone is finally back at college. Online classes are over, but Miss Maisie is still in online mode. What? Why isn't this link working? Is the touch screen broken? Come on, switch. Hey, swipe isn't working either. Ah, that's right. It's a regular board. Did you like our life hacks and types of students on distance learning? Then comment below how you'll spend your online classes. Sleeping as much as you want? Putting up a picture instead of yourself? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new student life hacks from Troom.